Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. Thank you for tuning in. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Tolulope. I film about faith, marriage, lifestyle from Lagos, Nigeria. Please click on that subscribe button and join the Team Solutions family. God bless you as you do so. So as you can tell by the title, this week I am bringing you guys along with me. My maternity leave is gradually coming to an end, and guys, see, let's not even go into the blues that I have been feeling. Right, separation anxiety is real, but anyway, maybe I'll discuss that in another video. Today I just want to bring you guys, this Thursday actually, so I can have like the rest of the weekend to pamper myself. I deserve it. I started this day fasting, and I normally wouldn't even put that out there, but I just want to encourage somebody. As much as we do things in the physical, it is important to settle it in the spiritual first. So I started this day fasting. I went on my knees, I prayed to God. You know, there's a lot that comes with giving birth, taking care of a child and stuff. My baby is over 3 months now. I'm going back to work, so I literally went on my knees and prayed for a clean bill of health. That is one of the promises of God when we fast. Is one of the rewards. I'll look for that scripture and put it. He says that the kind of fast he asks for is to break the bond of wickedness, you know, and he shall grant us a clean bill of health. So I pray that, I settled it in the spiritual realm, and now it's time to take action. So right now I'm actually even at the spa for my facials. I'm going to get that done today. Then later today I'm going to go do my pedicure and manicure, and obviously maybe on Saturday I'm going to go for my massage. Talking about that, I need to call them. There's actually just one spa in this Lagos I always use. So when I wanted to call them up today, I'm like, wait, did they tie my destiny with this spa? Why not explore other ones? So I found this other spa, and I'm like, let me give them a call and see, you know, let me experience it. Those ones are not sponsoring me. Why do I have to be going there every time? It's still money I will pay. But I heard that this one is really good, and I want to sample it. So hello, good afternoon. Good afternoon. Please, I would like to find out how much your full body massage is, and if I can book an appointment for Saturday.
Okay, 16,000 now.
Okay.
60 minutes.
60 minutes.
Yes, ma'am. That's 1 hour.
Okay, so can I book an appointment for Saturday for like 3?
Is it a gift card, ma'am?
No, it's a private fund.
Okay. Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
What time would you like to come in, ma'am?
3 o'clock.
3 o'clock. 3. We're fully booked by that time.
Okay, so what time is available? What time from like 2 is available?
6 o'clock now.
Okay, 6 is fine for Saturday. Yes, Tolulope ADEJUMO. Is that all?
Yes.
All right, thank you very much. See you on Saturday. Bye. So that is done, guys. Guess what? It's actually even cheaper than that place I always go, but I pray that the experience is better. Anyway, so I haven't done that. The next thing is hair. I took out my hair yesterday, and I had this mini twist on. That is actually my husband's favorite hairstyle of me. So yes, I'm going to do my hair, maybe even getting my pedi and mani done today. I'm going to do my cornrows, then I'm going to be wearing a wig to go back to work. And on that note, shout out to Annabelle hair. It's an AliExpress hair, and they're the ones sponsoring this video. I'm going to be reviewing their hair later in this video, and yeah, you guys will see. That's the hair I'm planning to, you know, rock back to work. So yes, that's it. Let me go and do my massage. No, not massage. My facials. Let me go get my facials done. Yes.
Hey pretty baby, am I in your way? Cause you walked out so fast yesterday. No, I don't think you're here to stay. No, I don't think you're here to stay. So tell me what you want, tell me how you want it. Tell me all the reasons that you're running away. I don't think you're here to stay. No, I don't think you're here to stay. No, no, no. I just wanna be with you. I just wanna be with you, yeah. I just wanna be with you. Yeah, I just wanna be with you. I just wanna be with you. I just wanna be with you, yeah. I just wanna be with you. Yeah, I just wanna be with you. I just wanna dance all night, forget my problems, I might go insane. how you know it. Hey, little lady said you feel the same, but I don't believe a word you say, 'cause I don't think you're here to stay. No, I don't think you're here to stay. So tell me what you want, tell me how you want it, tell me all the reasons that you're running away. I don't think you're here.
Hey guys, so it's Sunday afternoon now, and I just had like a power nap to, you know, spice things up, all the self-care and stuff like that. And you guys, if you can see my nails, can you see the nails I went to use money to do? Literally came off in 2 days. And this hair, I've not done this type of DD before. I literally have been doing like this, you know, those secondary school hair. That's how let me not even just spoil their market here. Anyway, so like I said, I'm going to be working on the wig that I'm going to be rocking back to work. They sent me 20 inches body wave frontal, and on that note, because I'm not a hair blogger or anything, I'm not too good with, you know, cutting frontal lace wear. I mean, what do they say? So I called my sister, my home girl Bisha.
Hi guys, subscribe to my channel. Wow. I have a YouTube channel, Bisha T.
Wow. Cloud chaser. I didn't see that coming. See, you have to wait for your glory to manifest. I was going to say that. You are sold yourself. Anyway, so I called her. She's like the wig hair person. She's making wigs for you. I just say, make sure you sweep my house. You know, so I called her. She's going to be helping me with cutting the lace and literally just installing the hair. So let's get right into that. I'm going to be using this my stocking cap. I always use a stocking cap because, you know, natural hair, I don't want to already have mommy edges. I don't want to complicate things further. So guys, this is how the hair came. It's 100% human hair, and I'm going to put the link to this particular hair and their website in the description box below. So yes, I'm just going to jump right into it. It looks very good. It is lightweight, like literally lightweight, and body wave. I chose body wave because they gave me the option to choose if I wanted straight, curly, or body wave. I chose this one because I don't own a body wave, and I used to rock body wave back when I was relaxed, you know, and it used to fit me so much. So I'm like, a wig won't be bad, but that full frontal, we're going to work it. Yeah. So while she's trying to help me out there, let me say that first, the delivery, I was shocked, guys. So if you ship or if you've ever bought anything from Asia or AliExpress and stuff like that, me, I'm not an AliExpress person normally, but I was, when we concluded on this transaction of, okay, this is what I want, in my head, maybe, okay, sometime in September or sometime in October, the hair will come. 1 week I got a call and I'm like, wow, and they delivered right to my doorstep. So that's good. And even though this is a sponsored video, I'm going to talk about their customer service. I was very impressed, you know, with the back and forth. The first email she sent me, she was like, oh, I love the positive vibes on your channel. In my mind, I'm like, hey, you people watch me over there. So yes, that was really impressive. The fact that, you know, the customer service is good. She related to me very well, and our back and forth was very seamless. So I really like that. So that I don't bore you guys, I'm going to stop talking right now.
your sanity away. Oh, you captured my heart so long ago. The girl of my dreams, the sanity I be. You are beautiful in every way. Hey, almost your sanity away. Oh, you captured my heart so long ago. The girl of my dreams, the sanity I be. You.
Everything is lit, guys, so we are done. I feel like a yummy mommy, you know. Anyway, so let me just quickly go through a recap of things we did real quick, as you guys saw as the video was playing. So the first thing is, obviously, she cut the lace in front and the one at the back. Then she had to install or attach an elastic for me, and this because, you know, like I said, I don't want to glue it down. I'm going to be taking it off and wearing it like every day. So if you're going to glue it down, then I don't think you need the elastic. But for me, just to make it a bit snug or more snug, she had to, you know, measure my head, and then she came to put some elastic. My family members, they know that I hate discomfort. Like, you can see that it's even better that I had to do the lashes for me. But anyway, that's just my preference. I prefer it this way. The fact that, you know, I had to attach elastic from one side to the other to just keep it in place. I'm feeling myself too much. Also, she put some powder on the lace inside. She turned it and then just put like the shade of my powder, just so that lace wear, so that you can be looking for the lace up and down. I will not find it, just to make the tone, you know, my shade. Again, the hair came pre-plucked, so she just you know, packed it to the back with that blue clip you guys saw, and then she, you know, brought out, she just parted some out and then used a trimmer, that blue comb like thing also, you know, to cut the front, the ones that are laid. So she did that, and then she laid it with Gorilla Snot gel. But I mean, you can use any other gel you have, maybe Eco Styler or hair wax gel or whatever. I think that's the one she ended up using. She mixed it with the Gorilla Snot anyway. So yeah, that's it. Also, as you guys saw, you can change parts. So I had done the middle parts before. It's just that every time you have to change parts, you have to use some form of hot tool to lay it down. I also have to say though that it's spiky, so I don't have mousse or whatever they call it, and that's why you might see some spikes here. So keep that in mind. You might have to get mousse so that every time, you know, you change the parts, you can lay down all the spikes. For this side, I even had to trim it a bit with scissors because it was really spiky, but that's nothing a hot tool and some scissors cannot handle. So yeah, I chose this side part. I am feeling myself, guys. What else? There was a bit of shedding after all, but very little, like nothing compared to what I have seen in some hairs. Very little shedding. And yes, that's it. You can coil it, you can straighten it. I think I'm going to be playing, my sister is going to be helping me to play around with it later. But yeah, that's the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. Shout out again to Ali Annabelle Hair and AliExpress company. Thank you for sending me this hair. I feel like yummy mommy that I am, if I do say so myself. And yeah, I'm feeling it. So again, I'm going to put all the links in the description box below and all that jazz, all that good stuff. Shout out to Beshati, that's a YouTube name, my sister who helped me in, you know, getting this laid. I wouldn't have done it myself, trust me. If I did not have her, obviously I would not take my camera to the salon, and then I won't bring a stylist to my house. So if I did not have her, I don't know what I would have done. So shout out to her. She's now on YouTube and she shouted, give me a shout out. Now this is your shout out. That's it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.